What do I love most about my profession is it's just fun. I just get to be me and be stupid nowadays. How I describe my personal style is very relaxed. I like comfy, like Ugg boots and a cardigan if I can. My daily beauty routine is very simple. I love Osmetico and that's about it. I'm lucky to shower really. How do I look after my hair? That's a good question. Most of it's not mine, so it's pretty easy. What was my most embarrassing beauty moment? There's too many. I've had so many misfunctions. Like, I'd say camel toe was maybe the worst. My nipple hair's not great. Bit of regrowth. It goes on. Just Google it. When I feel most beautiful is in bed ordering Uber Eats and watching Netflix. I look hot then. My beauty tips and tricks would be, I use food colouring sometimes as a lip stain and maybe on your cheeks, but be careful because it does stain pretty hard. Also before a red carpet, sometimes I'm not prepared, so I use Sally Hansen to cover my bad fake tan and it covers all your body and it looks airbrushed. The way I relax is hanging out with family and my dogs really. Sounds boring, but it's true. How do I take care of my body? I try and shave once a week. In emergency situations where I have to go to dinner, I just make sure I've got foundation, mascara, lip stain and lip gloss and you're good to go. My diet consists of a lot of chocolate, I love it, so I've got Love Bites and Slim Secrets that I love, but I love pizza. It's just I have to have it at least once a week. What's my go-to outfit? It'd be a white t-shirt, jeans and a high heel. You can't go wrong. If it's winter and you have to wear not many clothes, you get heat packs that go on your back, genius. My biggest beauty influence would be Marilyn Monroe, because I love when she said all she wears to bed is Chanel No. 5.